Welcome to the Home and Garden Tips channel. Where we explore the world of architecture, interior, and exterior design. Bringing you inspiring ideas for your dream home. Today, we invite you to explore rustic charm and outdoor serenity with a journey through rustic farmhouse veranda decor. Whether you're dreaming of transforming your porch into a cozy retreat or looking for some inspiration, we've got you covered. The foundation of any inviting veranda is the furniture. For a rustic farmhouse vibe, consider wooden rocking chairs with plaid cushions or a charming reclaimed wood bench. Mix in some wicker chairs or a vintage metal bistro set for added texture and character. Adding vintage elements can bring unique charm to your outdoor space. A weathered metal chandelier or hanging lanterns can provide cozy ambient light, casting beautiful shadows as the sun sets. Nearby, rustic lanterns on a reclaimed wood coffee table add a gentle flicker to the veranda's inviting atmosphere. No rustic veranda is complete without greenery. Use galvanized metal planters, wooden crates, or old barrels for your plants. Lavender, rosemary, and thyme not only add visual appeal, but also infuse the air with delightful fragrances, making your veranda a true garden sanctuary. Small details can make a big difference in achieving a rustic farmhouse aesthetic. Scatter lanterns and candles around the veranda to create a soft, romantic glow in the evening. For dining, set up a rustic table with mismatched chairs. Decorate with a vase of wildflowers and vintage tableware for a charming, casual look. String lights overhead can enhance the ambiance for evening gatherings. A beautifully decorated rustic farmhouse veranda is perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Enjoy the process of decorating and make sure to add your personal touches to create a space that's uniquely yours. Creating a rustic farmhouse veranda is about blending the old with the new, the natural with the crafted. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create a rustic farmhouse veranda.